Have you ever thought what will happen? Like if you eat potatoes, do you really think that you'll be gaining weight? Or do you think that you will become obese and fat and golumulu like potato? It is not the thing. The reason being, potato is starch just like rice, and it has got the equal amount of carbohydrate or the carbs that are present in chapati or oats or even rice and even in cornflakes. So it is almost same. So what to do? So shall you eat potatoes or you will not eat potatoes? Yes, of course you can eat potatoes, preferably with the skin. Because if you're eating potatoes with the skin, then in that case you would be adding up to your fiber content. And not just that, when you are eating potatoes, what you have to keep in your mind, that is, you need to maintain the control or portion of your rice or chapati, and we call it as portion control. Because in portion control, the what diet you should be eating or what food you should be eating or what shall be your meal plan or the plate, it all depends on your portion control, and your portion control actually affects your health. So you can have potatoes. So if you are eating potatoes, then you can invariably you should try out with more veggies, potatoes mixed with vegetables, and then during a meal when a rice is there and a potato is there, either you reduce the quantity of potatoes and increase the quantity of the rice as per your requirement, or you reduce the quantity of rice and increase the quantity of potatoes. Because what calories potatoes are having, even the rice is having the same calories, but the plus point is potatoes are also having fiber, which white rice is not having. But yes, you can try it out with the red rice or the brown rice. And if you're feeling like to take chapati with the potato or aloo ki sabzi, aloo ki bhaji, yes you can. Then in that case, fill your roti with 50% of bran. Okay, so what you have to do, if you are fond of eating 2 to 3 chapatis, then remember you need to add up atta and bran together so as to increase the fiber content. Eat 3 chapatis wherein 50% will be atta and 50% will be bran, and then you can have aloo ki sabzi. Then in that case again the starch will be controlled. So these are my 2 tricks for today and 2 hacks, the 2 nutrition hacks for today, and would be coming up again with few more. Till then, stay tuned to RB